Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not receiving text. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by going to your settings, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down to the text message that I want to see, or to the messages app, and click right here to see the notifications if it was turned on or off. So basically, if that one turned off, that means that you won't receive any notifications from the iMessage or from the messages on your iPhone. So make sure that you toggle this one on. So if that's still didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into your general, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the software update, and I'm gonna make sure that my iOS is fully updated to the latest version, because maybe that's what held me back from getting the notifications that are needed. But if you're still facing that same issue, scroll a little bit down, click transfer reset iPhone, click reset, and you're gonna reset the network settings. And basically you're gonna confirm via your passcode, and then you're gonna restart your iPhone, and then that should fix your messages problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.